Hello, I'm Sylvia, the Crafty Old Lady. Today I just wanted to show you my latest offering in my Kofi shop. Now this is the actual bank book of my great-grandmother, Anna Lorman. It's from the Fletcher Savings and Trust Company. It was at northwest corner of Pennsylvania and Market in Indianapolis, Indiana. This is, I guess, what it looked like, the building. I wonder if it's still there. I should look that up. And then we have what's inside. This is the first page of the savings. I don't see a year on, May 1st, 2021. So this started in 21. Okay. And then we have several pages that go up to, like, these are 37 interest. And we have up to November 1st, 1945. Wow. Deposits. She had $256.17. I wonder what that was equivalent to in today. But anyway, this is what the cover looks like printed out on my computer. You can see the color is a little bit different, but I don't think that detracts from it. And you can also see that it printed out slightly smaller. I don't know why, but I don't think it really detracts from the overall product. And then we have, I just printed out 3 of the pages of this. There's actually 8 pages from the book and the cover. And this is one of the, savings records pages. And then this is the first page in the book. I should show you how it compares. You see, it is a slightly different color and slightly smaller. But you can read everything perfectly. Let me see if I can find this page. January 1929. Let's see. There we go. So this is the same page. Move up a little bit. I don't know. Move out a little bit. So there we have it. Again, the color is slightly different than the original. And smaller, slightly smaller, but everything is there. And I think this would be a great little project. You could put the whole book together, or you could just use this pages separately in collages and other projects. So much for watching, and we'll see you again next time. In the meantime, stay happy, healthy, and safe. Bye-bye.